This is at Big Lots. This is Series 2, 82 to collect. And they have all different kinds of little miniature stuff. So here's one, it shows 50 crime sacks, but it says 3D, let's see, official wacky packages, minis, 3D puny products. I wonder how many you get in this box. 5 wacky packages are in here. And they have a bunch of them. See if I can find a price on it. Oh, they're $6. Here's Pie Face Cannon. Ready, set, launch. Take aim to your pie opponent. And this one is $14. Here's Hot Tub High Dive. Uh-oh. What is this? This is Toilet Trouble. Which flush will cause the gush? Includes 1 fashion purse, 12 gym stickers, and 4 permanent markers. There's LOL, Surprise Remix, the game. And here's 5 mini brand surprise. Look, here's My Little Pony. It's up so high I can't get it down to look at it, but, well, maybe I can. Here we go.
Baby.
Oh no, that's too big. That's too big for her.
No,
that's too big. There's a Sunny Day doll. And Shimmer, Nickelodeon. And they have this Barbie Pizza oven. It's got all kinds of stuff, and it's $10.
Those are right there.
I'm not sure. Here's Barbie's pet house with all kinds of stuff. That's $10 at Big Lots. We got Disney Frozen 2 miniature Pop Adventures and Little Baby Alive styles. This is a little outfit with shoes. And I already got that one. There's 18-inch doll accessories. Hatachimals. Here's those trolls. They're $5. They got some for $3. I have, this is $5. This is trolls. Oops. There's a Glitzy's doll for $6. And Frozen 2 nail set. Nanables. This is tiny. They still have some Vampirina Disney Junior. So this one is Poppy and Creepy Carolyn. And they have Vampirina and Spookalele. Sorry, I had some trouble saying that one. Let's see if they have any more. No, just those two. Just those two. And I don't want to mess everything up. They have Frozen 2 Olaf. This is $5. Disney Princess, $12. And this is, does it say who this is? Warrior Mulan. Here's Frozen 2 Singing Anna. I think I've done her before. They have fashion doll outfit. All this for $10. $10. Got a bunch of outfits and some shoes and stuff. Oh, they have Barbie. They have a Barbie for $10. It's Femme and Fierce. They have another Mulan doll. Imagin Angels. And here's Barbie Dreamtopia. She's really pretty. Here's Barbie Princess Adventures for $20. Look at this. Princess dolls. You get all of these for $20. They come with outfits. Here's another Barbie. This one's $14. And it might be fashionista because it's just got a lot of accessories. There's a doll with a horse. Here's another Barbie set. Magnetic paper dolls. Here's another outfit set for $6 that'll fit Barbie. It has shoes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pair of shoes and 5 outfits.
What about the dragon?
And there's different kinds. The dragon?
That's $9.
Here's another one, 5 pair of shoes and 5 outfits. And it's only $6. I think that's a pretty good deal. See, here's one. This is a real Barbie one. You got a dress that says it has 59 on it, an outfit, a pair of boots, and a purse. Let's see how much this is. This is $10, and it's authentic Barbie. They have the Disney Princess Rapunzel styling head for $15, and Belle, she's $15. And these Glitzy dolls, they are $6. And they have all these dolls here for $20. For $10, glow and glitter creative kids sand projects. Isn't that pretty? Makes 12 projects. Now that's a real nice one. This is a really cute one. Taste of Beauty mini balms, mini sweets. They have Fun Dip, Gobstoppers, Sweet Tarts, and you get a bonus. Carry your goodies in it. They also have Nerds. It's 5 pieces, and there's a surprise. I like this one. It's $5. They have a My Little Pony Friendship Magic Twilight Sparkle for $5. It's tiny. A pony and some accessories in there. Here's Disney pop-up game. It's $5. They have Toy Story and Disney Princess and Blue's Clues. Disney Junior mini coloring set for $5, and Mickey Mouse dominoes